So I've tried to group these photos into before and after photos. So this is while stripping down or before shot blasting, and then after shot blasting and having applied the buff 2-coat epoxy primer. So most of these are perfectly self-explanatory. Some of them are a little bit strange exposure because of the location of the sunlight, but they give you a good example of the contrast between the car as it arrived and was first stripped down, and then the underside of the same car once it was ready for me to start administering the repair work to the various rust holes we found. I did have to refit the suspension in order to roll it out of the workshop a couple of times, so that's why you'll see in some of them we've got subframes and all wheels. In some of them we don't. Here, for instance, there's still wiring looms, but here it's fresh out of paint. So I'll let you enjoy the rest. They're only 10 seconds a piece. Not going to need to blab over all of them, but it does show you a very good contrast.